Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Cell Culture 101. In this session, we'll be focusing on one of the most common and challenging issues you'll face in cell culture: contamination. Contamination not only compromises your results, but also wastes valuable resources and time. Understanding how to prevent it is crucial for maintaining reliable and reproducible data. Let's now explore how we can effectively address this issue and minimize its impact on your work. In cell culture, contamination can manifest in several forms, each with its unique characteristics and challenges. Let's take a closer look at the most common types you might encounter. First, we have bacterial contamination. This is one of the most frequently encountered issues in cell culture. Bacteria can proliferate rapidly in the culture medium, causing noticeable turbidity and changes in pH, which can lead to compromised cell viability. Next, fungal contamination, including yeasts and molds, can also wreak havoc in cell cultures. Fungi thrive when environmental conditions such as humidity and temperature are not properly controlled. This can result in macroscopically visible fungal colonies, often appearing as filamentous or cottony structures, which can adversely affect both adherent and suspension cells. Then there's mycoplasma contamination. Mycoplasmas are small bacteria that are often undetectable under a microscope. Despite their small size, they can have a profound impact on cell behavior, causing changes that interfere with your experimental results. And lastly, we have nanobacteria contamination. These are even smaller than mycoplasmas and can be incredibly difficult to detect. Although their presence is still debated, nanobacteria are believed to be resistant to many antibiotics and can disrupt cellular function, making them a unique challenge. Understanding the various forms of contamination is essential, as each requires specific detection methods and tailored prevention strategies. Now that we've covered the types of contamination, let's shift our focus to understanding what causes contamination in the first place. Recognizing these common causes can help you avoid them and improve the reliability of your cultures. One of the leading causes is improper aseptic technique, for instance, failing to sterilize equipment or neglecting to wear the appropriate protective gear during handling increases the risk of introducing contaminants into your cultures. In addition, inadequate cleaning of laboratory equipment is another significant factor. Items such as culture flasks, pipettes, and incubators must be regularly disinfected to prevent contamination from lingering on surfaces. Lastly, environmental factors in the lab play a critical role. Poor ventilation, fluctuating temperature, and high humidity can all create favorable conditions for microbial growth, increasing the risk of contamination. Addressing these common causes can dramatically reduce the likelihood of contamination and help maintain the integrity of your cultures. With a clear understanding of contamination causes, let's now discuss practical strategies to prevent it. Implementing these simple yet effective measures will help safeguard your cultures and ensure reliable results. First and foremost, always practice proper aseptic technique. This involves wearing gloves, disinfecting surfaces thoroughly, and using sterile equipment for every task, from pipetting to handling culture flasks. It's a fundamental practice that's essential for every step of your workflow. Additionally, make it a habit to regularly clean and disinfect all equipment. This includes incubators, biosafety cabinets, and even the surfaces where you handle your cultures. Routine cleaning ensures that potential contaminants are kept at bay. Maintaining a controlled lab environment is equally important. Ensure that your incubators and workstations are kept within the optimal temperature and humidity ranges. A well-maintained and clean workspace will significantly reduce the chances of microbial contamination. By following these straightforward yet critical steps, you'll greatly reduce contamination risks and improve the overall health of your cell cultures. So, to recap, contamination is a common challenge in cell culture, but with proper technique, regular cleaning, and a controlled environment, you can significantly reduce the risk. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on mastering cell culture. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive into more troubleshooting tips.